day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much.
Hi, Daya! Ito yung half speech ko or yung totoo kong speech. Kasi na-nervous ako nung party, kaya gulong-gulo yung speech, kaya ito na! Hindi siya mahaba. So, 18 ka na. Wow! Dalagang-dalaga ka na. And you're now facing another chapter of your life, and this means more responsibilities and trials. Last night, you really look pretty. You've always been pretty, in and out. Anyways, sa lahat ng pagsubok na pinagdaan natin magkakaibigan, hindi ko alam kung ano doon yung pinakamasayang araw na sama-sama tayo. Pero ang alam ko, you've been always our ate to us. Nandiyan ka pag malungkot kami, nandiyan ka pag broken, nandiyan ka pag kailangan namin ng tulong. You've been there for us. Tapos, nandiyan ka pag malungkot kami, dadamayan mo kami, papasahirin mo kami, bibigay ka ng advice. And you've been our helping hand, like, and for that, I wanna thank you for everything. Sana hindi ka magsawa sa amin, at sana hindi ka magsawa makinig sa mga kwento namin.
What can make me feel?
And my wish is, sana napasaya ka namin kahit wala yung special someone. Nandito kami 24/7 for you. And wish you all the best, good health, and more good days to come. And mawalan man ng special someone, nandito kami to be your special friend. Nadamayan ka namin sa mga pagsubok na dadaan sa'yo. And I'm so glad to be a part of your 18 candles. We love you, Ate Daya. Me. Love. You. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Stay the same. And don't forget to treasure every little moments of your life. And enjoy it. Okay? And ito na yung speech ko. Sana magustuhan mo. Pasensya kung hindi ko nasabi dun sa party mo. So yeah. Bye!
Win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved. Love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.